used to be a settlement, but now it's burned to the ground. Charred remains. Probably the villagers. That rock is known as the Cradle of Spirits. What a shape. Incredible what dust and wind can do over a long enough time. A survivor. One of the Hamid. Is he mute? He knows about it. This is our chance. We know the location of the target. It's on your iDroid. Head on over there.